how to fix Bluetooth icon missing on Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing Bluetooth icon on your Windows 11 PC. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps that could help bring the icon back. So the first thing you want to do is go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in settings, then open it up. On the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now just make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. If it's off, that could be why the icon isn't showing. Once that's turned on, and look for an option that says devices and click it. Then again, scroll to the bottom and you'll find more Bluetooth settings. Click on that and it should open up a small pop-up window. Now here's the fix. Look for the checkbox that says show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Tick that box. Click apply, then hit OK. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more simple Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.